If you want to add a credit card to your Amazon account, please follow up with me in this video because I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's start. First, open the Amazon app, and then from here, wait for it to fully load up. Once it does, tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner right here. Now from here, tap on accounts in the bottom right there. Once it takes you here, scroll down until you find under the payment section your payment. Tap on it. From here, tap on add a payment method. You should get this screen right here. Tap on add a credit card or a debit card. You get this screen in which you have to fill in the details about your card. So everything from your card number to your link in your card, and maybe you can even scan your card in the top, and then tap on add and continue to add your card to Amazon. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.